The smartphone world is constantly evolving, but every once in a while a device appears that truly captures attention. The Nokia Magic Max 5G is one of those devices. Designed with innovation, power, and style in mind, this upcoming flagship from Nokia is expected to deliver an impressive combination of performance and futuristic features. Starting with the design, the Nokia Magic Max 5G looks stunning. It features a sleek, ultra-premium glass body with a slim frame that feels both modern and durable. The device is rumored to come with a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an ultra-smooth refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or scrolling through social media, the display promises an immersive viewing experience that feels truly flagship level. Performance is another area where this device shines. The Nokia Magic Max 5G is expected to be powered by a powerful next-generation chipset paired with up to 12 gigabytes or even 16 gigabytes of RAM. This means users can enjoy lightning-fast multitasking, smooth gaming performance, and lag-free app switching. With 5G connectivity, downloads, streaming, and online gaming will be faster than ever. Now let's talk about the camera system, which could be one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The Nokia Magic Max 5G is rumored to feature an incredible 200-megapixel primary camera capable of capturing stunning details and vibrant colors. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or night photos, this camera system is designed to deliver professional-level photography. The front camera is also expected to be powerful, making it perfect for selfies, video calls, and content creation. Battery life is another strong point. The device is expected to pack a massive 6,900 mAh battery, which means users can enjoy long hours of usage without constantly worrying about charging. Combined with fast charging technology, the phone can quickly power up and get you back to your daily tasks in no time. On the software side, the Nokia Magic Max 5G will likely run the latest Android version with a clean and smooth interface. Nokia has always been known for providing a near-stock Android experience, which means fewer bloatware apps and faster updates. Overall, the Nokia Magic Max 5G looks like a powerful upcoming smartphone that combines premium design, strong performance, a high-resolution camera, and a massive battery. If these rumored features become reality, this device could easily become one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026.